What's going on, stackers? So in this video I'm going to be sharing a red hot KDP niche that you might want to check out. So welcome back to StackinProfit. My name's Paddy and over here we give you the tools and resources to learn, grow and master passive income streams so that you can live a life of freedom. Now this video is actually part of a playlist which I've been putting together named Red Hot KDP Niches, and if you want to see the rest of those videos I'll link it right there right now in the right hand corner. So let's get on with the video and just crack on. Now this niche I want to share is the beach niche. So this is beach colouring books for adults. Now this score, this self-publishing Titan score, was actually higher the other day when I was looking at it. I think it was around 50%, but this still meets my criteria. Above 40%, we have the average BSR of under 500,000, and then there's only 557 results for beach colouring books for adults. Now if we actually go ahead and take a look on the first page, let's go past the sponsored if there is any. There's a sponsored just there. So these aren't sponsored. This is the sponsored just there. I feel like I'm repeating myself. Anyway, we can see that this is actually quite a good niche. If we look at these are slightly different. So it's still everything related to beaches. So we have ocean treasure. We have, what's this one? Just summer or sea life as well. So there's some more niches within this niche, the beach niche. Beach? Beach niche. There we go. So just with the beach niche, that's getting tricky to say. We can see sea life. So that's a different niche. Ocean. That's another niche that you could look into. But if we look at these BSRs, they're actually pretty good. So this one's summer scenes. And if we take a look at this BSR, that's 29,000. By the sea, this has a rank of 13,000. So we can see that there's a lot of demand in this niche. And it would actually be relatively easy to create this book. That's a beach colouring books for adults. Now if you do actually want to dive a little bit deeper, we can look at other keywords. So let's take that, copy that, let's do this, take away adults. So now we have, if we do that again, beach colouring book, adult colouring book, beach themed, beach colouring books for adults, beach colouring books for women, beach colouring books for kids, and kids ages 4 to 8. So what I would do is use the SPT Chrome extension and then go through these keywords to see what the score is just here and see what the best opportunity is within this beach niche. So that's what I would go ahead and do. Now creating this type of book would be relatively easy, and all I would do is use Creative Fabrica. Now before we go over to there, I just want to talk about the LCB Vault. If you're interested in everything I now know about creating colouring books and creating them relatively easy, then come and check out the LCB Vault. We now have 4 courses in here, one being Kids LCB, that's its own little course, Q4 Profits, the LCB Vault, and now Simple Colouring Books. So again, if you're interested, hit that link down in the description below to come through and check it out. Anyway, let's go on to Creative Fabrica. What I typed in here was beach clip art. So from here, we can actually see there's lots of graphics that we can use, and we can make our colouring books with these graphics. The only thing that you'd have to do is make sure that the graphics you use is either an EPS or an SVG or an EPS file, so that way we can actually use these types of clip art, modify them using free tools to turn them into colouring book pages or colouring graphics, and then we could easily create the book. But then I also actually typed in beach colouring pages because I just wanted to see what would pop up. And from here we can see we have some colouring pages that we could use. Now, they're not all beach. I do like this. This is all clip art, so you could use each individual one of these to create a scene on a page and create your own colouring page. So there's lots of ways that you could go around this. I really like Creative Fabrica because they have pretty much everything that I need. I get all my graphics, my fonts, and everything for creating books here on Creative Fabrica. Now, one thing I do want to do really quick, because I actually haven't done this, is just open this seller, because I really like that page. It wouldn't be no good for an adult colouring book, because this one is for beach colouring books for adults, but let's just check it out quick. What I want to do is just come here to the search bar and type in beach. So we have a couple of things, only the one. Let's do C. No, not really. So I just wanted to check that out really quick. But again, come check out Creative Fabrica. You can get some really great graphics on here and go through and check out the niche beach colouring books for adults. Or check out all the other ones which are for women, for kids, and kids ages 4 to 8. Now, I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Also, go hit subscribe and hit that little bell icon so you can be notified for any further videos. That being said, I've been Paddy, this has been StackinProfit, and I'll see you again soon.